Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, today our topic of discussion is future indefinite tense. Okay guys, before going through the lecture, first I have to define what future indefinite tense is. Future indefinite tense indicates that an action or occurrence of an action has not happened yet and will be done or will be taken place at some point in the future. फ्यूचर इंडेफिनाइट टेंस ऐसा फ्यूचर टेंस है जिसके अंदर हमें मुस्तकबिल के मुतालिक बताया जाता है कि ऐसा काम जो कि मुस्तकबिल करीब में होगा. नाउ हाउ टू रिकग्नाइज इट इन उर्दू फ़िक्रात के आखिर में ज़्यादातर गा गी गे गें आता है. जैसे वो जाएगा, वो खाएगा, हम जाएंगे, वो 2 बजे खाना खाएगा, हम सुबह सवेरे उठेंगे, अली नाश्ता तैयार करेगा, वो आपको तंग नहीं करेगा, तुम अकेली मत जाओ, बच्चा दूध के लिए रोएगा, हम खेतों में सैर के लिए जाएंगे. नाउ हियर वी यूज shall and will with first form of verb. Shall is used with I and we, whereas will is used with you, they, he, she, it. Now let's find out a simple sentence of future indefinite tense. What is the structure of future indefinite simple sentence? As you know, the sentence is made up of subject, verb and object. Here you will find addition of will or shall. Will be used with he, she, it, they and you, whereas shall will be used with I and we. Now let's see its structure. Subject plus will plus first form of verb, or you can say base form plus object. यानी आप subject लगाएंगे he, she, it, you, and it could be the name of any person, plus will or shall according to the subject, plus first form of verb plus object. Now here let's find out the example. I shall become software engineer. Here I is subject, shall or will be used according to the subject. Here we are using shall. Become first form of verb, software engineer you can say object. मैं इंजीनियर बनूंगा, I shall become software engineer. हम जुमले बनाएंगे, we shall make sentences. आप क्लास लेंगे, you will take class at night. Here you can easily see that the sentence is starting with you, therefore we are going to use will. वो फुटबॉल खेलेंगे, they will play football. Negative sentences of future indefinite. Structure is subject plus will or shall plus not plus first form of verb plus object. Here you will put not with will or shall. I shall not become software engineer. मैं इंजीनियर नहीं बनूंगा. Here you can easily see that we are using not with shall. And again the structure will remain the same. First form of verb plus object. We shall not make sentences. हम जुमले नहीं बनाएंगे. आप क्लास नहीं लेंगे. You will not take class at night. आप इसको इस तरह से कर सकते हो बेटा. आप क्लास रात में नहीं लेंगे. वो फुटबॉल नहीं खेलेंगे. They will not play football. वो अच्छी नौकरी नहीं चाहेगा. He will not want a good job. Now let's discuss interrogative sentence of future indefinite. Its structure is will plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. Now keep one thing in your mind, that if you are making a simple sentence into an interrogative one, you will use will or shall in the beginning of the sentence, and the rest of the structure of the sentence will remain the same. We will use first form of verb, subject and object will take their own places, and at the end of the sentence we are going to put question mark. Example, क्या मैं इंजीनियर बनूंगा? Shall I become software engineer? Here you can see that we are using shall in the beginning of the sentence, and the rest of the sentence or structure of the sentence will remain the same. We are using first form of verb and going to put question mark at the end of the sentence. क्या हम जुमले बनाएंगे? Shall we make sentences? क्या आप क्लास लेंगे? Will you take class? क्या वो फुटबॉल खेलेंगे? विल दे प्ले फुटबॉल? क्या वो अच्छी नौकरी चाहेंगे? विल ही वांट अ गुड जॉब? हियर यू कैन राइट क्या वो अच्छी नौकरी चाहेगा. Now girls, there is an activity for you. There are 15 sentences and you have to memorize all of them by your own heart. I will take test in a couple of days, or you can say in the next week. So do prepare it very well. And I can also ask any sentence that is unseen. I hope it is a good lecture for you and you find it very easy to understand what future indefinite tense is basically. Now in the next lecture I am going to deliver more lectures related to tenses, so keep in touch with me, and till then study well, and enjoy good health. From my side, it's Allah Hafiz.